And I think there are moments in life when it's easy to be present, when presence flows really naturally. Some in the presence of a beautiful sunset or the magnificent flowers in the park or any number of very pleasant experiences or perhaps inspiring experiences that arise naturally. But what is it to be present when it's difficult? What is it to be present in difficult times? How is it that we avoid presence when it doesn't automatically arise? And how is it that the trappings of our culture lead us away from presence rather than towards more presence? These are the kinds of questions that I think are interesting.
Yes, and what goes on inside myself that again inhibits that ability, that what to explore those, to find out, oh gee, I do this, or immediately this takes me back to here, or when I was growing up, I was criticized for this, and all those things can just naturally arise. And we can look at that and go, oh gee, now I have a choice. I can respond as compared to react. And
What's between me and being present?
yes. And we can practice, there's simple skills we can do. We can practice that as we discover more about ourselves. And then we can see that in the so-called other that we're interacting with. It becomes a lovely dance together, that we're not stepping on each other's toes or turning our backs.
And how will it serve me in my life to be more present? That's a question I think that's important.
Yeah.
So